Arrive in style with this Kia 2020 Telluride LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 291 horsepower, 3.8-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.